So unit 5 artificial intelligence information retrieval. So information retrieval depends upon that artificial intelligence that the Google search engine. Once if you give the search word, if you type any word or anything you want, if you search, then the information retrieved. That means where the stored. They're having a big server. So in the server they already stored so many information. So that information retrieved from the server and finally it shown to user. So that's a document information document. That's information user finding record. It does not explicit return to answer to the whole question. So information retrieval, it's a document or image or anything, music or whatever it may be. User trying to search, it's already stored. Then that relevant document, at least the perfect document, if you won't get it, at least you will be getting some relevant document, so you will be get it. So that is called as information retrieval. So information retrieval, so this is a diagram. The user asking query, so asking information. So the information sent it to information retrieve system, like Google search engine like that. So document, maybe it will be access a particular document and indexing, then indexed. They are typing, so it will be searched to indexed, then indexing, and finally it will be get the document and send it to IR system, information retrieve system. Then it will be show the output, relevant document show the output system to the user. Then user got that output and finally give the feedback to user. So this is called as information retrieval system. So classical problem information retrieval IR system. So main goal of IR search to develop model for retrieving information from repositories of documents. It's a classical problem means it named is ad hoc retrieval problem related to IR system. And ad hoc retrieval user must to enter a query in natural language that describe the required information. Then IR system will return the required document related to desired information. Suppose that internet gives something that expect page relevant to our document. Sometimes you know it's non-relevant pages too also it come to our pages. You Google have so many pages, hundreds of information given when you type. So it will give relevant also, it will give non-relevant pages too. So this is due to ad hoc retrieval problems. you know Ad hoc retrieval problem is nothing but if you are typing, you will be get some information relevant to the pages. Also, it will be give some non-relevant information also. So while you are searching, sometimes you will be getting non-relevant information in front. So that is ad hoc retrieval problem. Information retrieval model. A AR model is basically a pattern or defines above mentioned aspect of retrieval procedure consists of following: a model for a document, a model for queries, a matching function that compares queries to the documents. And mathematically, a retrieval model consists of D representation for documents, R representation of queries, then modeling framework for DQ along with the relationship between them. A similarity function which added document with respect to the query, it's also called ranking. And types of information retrieval IR model. And classical IR model, mathematical knowledge, Boolean vector, and parabolitistics. So these classical IR model, non-classical IR model is completely opposite to classical IR model. Such kind of IR model, it's a principle of similarity, probability, and Boolean operation, information logic model, situation theory model, and interaction models are examples are non-classic IR model. An alternative IR model. Alternative IR model is making some specific technique, cluster model, fuzzy model, latent semantic, it's LSI model. So this is an example for alternative IR model. So again, so types of information retrieval models. There are three types. One is classical IR model, another one is non-classical IR model. So classical IR model, it's a basically mathematical language model. It has easily to recognize that classical IR model. So also easy to understood well. Boolean, vector, probabilistic. So there are three classical IR model in information retrieval model. And last non-classical IR model, it's a completely opposite of classical IR model. It's totally opposite. So this kind of IR model is similar to probability of Boolean operation. So information of logic model, situation of theory model, and interaction models are example for non-classical IR model. It's a logical model. That interaction models. So it's opposite of classical model and alternative of IR model. It's a enhancement of IR model. That means that classical model is same as alternative IR model. Little bit they enhanced with that classical IR model. So this some specific technique they used, the cluster model, fuzzy model, and lantern semantic indexing, and LSI model. So these are the models they added with the alternative IR model. So this is an example for alternative IR model. So specified, if you type, you will get the relevant information and non-relevant information. That's ad hoc problem. Once if you type the information, maybe get the document by indexing and the indexed and indexing document, and finally it will be get the document through the information retrieval through Google search engine like that. So this is called as information retrieval model. So we will see the next topic, next video, natural language processing. That's a big topic. We will see from that next video. Thank you.